Today we celebrate the feast of the Passion of St. John the Baptist. St. John the Baptist is certainly considered by the gospel writers to be an extremely important person as regards the story of Jesus. And I say that because both his birth and his death are written about in parallel fashion. So, for example, in the Gospel of Luke, we see first the annunciation of the birth of John the Baptist, which is given to his father Zechariah. And then the annunciation of the birth of Jesus is given by the angel to Mary. So it's obvious that Luke wants to see a parallelism and therefore highlight the importance of John the Baptist, who is the one who is to come before the Messiah. So St. John the Baptist has a very important both historical and theological place in Luke's gospel. Well, today we celebrate the passion and death of John the Baptist. And there are parallels between his story, his passion, and the passion of Jesus as well. It's told in the 6th chapter of the Gospel of Mark, where John the Baptist is arrested, and then he is brought before Herod. Herod likes what John the Baptist has to say, does not want him to die. Shades of Pilate when Jesus appears before him. But Herod is tricked by Herodias and offers Herodias's daughter anything that she wants after she does a dance. And so Herodias tells her daughter to ask for the head of John the Baptist. And of course, Herod has to comply. And so that's the way that John the Baptist dies. So two things that I want to leave you with today. The first are these great parallels between John the Baptist and Jesus. And the second one is the fearlessness of John the Baptist in proclaiming the good news. Just as Jesus was fearless in proclaiming the message of the reign of God to the people of his time, so John the Baptist was fearless in proclaiming the coming of the Messiah. Thanks again for watching. Take care.